Hi everyone. Today we will talk about our newly launched eDesign services. On the surface, eDesign service is just what it sounds like. It's interior design provided online. eDesign is a much simpler and affordable alternative to the traditional interior design services because it cuts down the need to travel and have one-to-one meetings. Thanks to the technology and the digital age, that we can do interior design of your home even without stepping into your home. In this COVID-19 pandemic situation, everyone is avoiding one-to-one meetings and travel, and thus eDesign comes to be a very handy and comfortable option for everyone. Being a pioneer in eDesign services in India, we at ES Designs leave no stone unturned to give the best solutions to our clients through the best use of the technology. All that we need is to gather as much information as possible from you through our questionnaire to understand the project and its goals. Once we gather all these information from you, we create beautiful and functional design options exclusively for you.
Now let's discuss why eDesign. What's so special about eDesign service? Firstly, it's all online, so there is no hassle to travel or schedule meetings. And it's much quicker than the traditional interior design service. And yes, it's super affordable and you get all the designs and concepts in one go. And yes, it's super fun to do as you get to do all the things by your own. It's always a pleasure to decorate your home by yourself. And you can get all these things on my website, that is ishagarg.com.
Now let me take you on a virtual tour where I'll show you how you can access my eDesign services on my website.
So as you can see, this is the home page. And to access eDesign services, you have to select on Design Services, eDesign. Here you will get all the stuff which I have already mentioned. Here is the process for our eDesign service. First is the questionnaire. Once you make the purchase, we send you a questionnaire via email and you have to fill it up and send back to us. Then starts the preparation. We gather photos and measurements of the site from you. And then is the design part. Once the designing is done, then we deliver it to you. To purchase our eDesign packages, go to the top of the page and select eDesign Shop. Here you will see two design packages. First one is the silver design package and the second one is the gold design package. Let's discuss silver eDesign package. Our silver package gives you a basic design inspiration and a reliable go-ahead viewpoint for the design of your space with the layouts and drawings. This includes one room design, 2D drawings, that is plan and elevations, complete color palette solution, a design mood board which has the inspirations for the furniture and the lighting. And this complete solution is just for Rs 5,000. Now let's discuss Gold eDesign package. If you think you need a detailed design help, then this package is for you. This package will provide an intimate and comprehensive design solution to you so that you don't face any speed breakers while designing your space. This includes one room design, 2D drawings with plan and elevation, color palette, design mood board with furniture selections and lighting selections, all material details, complete shopping list, and a 3D render which will show you the final outcome of the design as you can see on the left. And this gold package you can get just in Rs 15,000.
I hope I was clear and thorough enough with the eDesign services. Further, if you have any questions or queries related to this, you can contact me on any of my social media platforms. I'll reply you as soon as possible. Even my contact number and everything is provided on my website. You can contact me there and have the solution for your questions.